Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A3 front badge. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some plastic trim removal tools, and a good quality adhesive remover. Don't forget painter's tape to protect your car's paint. Making sure your car's surface is clean and dry is also a crucial first step for a smooth removal process. Now that you have your tools ready, it's time to apply some heat. Use your heat gun or hairdryer on a low to medium setting, warming the badge for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. Next, take your plastic trim tool and gently pry at an edge of the badge. Work your way around, applying steady, gentle pressure to slowly lift the badge from the grill. Once the badge is off, you'll likely find some sticky adhesive residue left behind. Don't worry, this is normal. Grab your automotive-safe adhesive remover and spray it generously over the remaining glue. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the product to break down the adhesive. Then, with a clean, soft microfiber cloth, gently wipe away the softened residue until the surface is completely clean. To finish up, give the entire area a thorough cleaning with an all-purpose automotive cleaner. This ensures all adhesive remover and any other grime are completely gone. Take a moment to inspect the grill for any minor scratches that might have occurred during the process. Finally, for added protection and a polished look, you might want to apply a layer of wax or sealant to the now badge-free surface. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.